Hi guys, so the question is climbing stairs. As you can read the question, you are climbing staircase in n steps to reach the it takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can either climb 1 or 2 steps. In how many distinct ways you can climb to the top? So we have to find how many distinct ways are there to climb at the top of the staircase. Like first example, as it is had given, input n is equal to 2, so there are 2 ways. One, we will take one step, then another step will reach at the top of the staircase, and the second case is will directly take 2 steps, then we'll reach the top of the staircase. Okay, so how we will do it, let me show you. We'll use DP approach. So let's declare a vector int dp I plus n plus 1, then dp is 0, 0 is equal to 1, dp 1 is equal to 1. There will be a for loop, int I is equal to 2. We'll start at the index of 2. We have already initialized 0 and 1 index value. I is less than equal to n. I will increment by 1. Okay, inside the for loop goes dp underscore bracket I is equal to dp I minus 1 plus dp I minus 2. Okay, then we'll return dp n. Okay, let's run it. So yeah, code working finally. Bit 16% is not an optimal way, I know that. It's big O of log n, it takes time. So yeah, there is an optimal way, I will show you, but first we have to understand the basics. So as you can see what's happening inside, we have already initialized dp at 0 index 1 and dp at index 1 is 1. Okay, so through that what we will do, like as you can see over here, dp at index 0, like we start with index 2. Okay, so I minus, like let me show you, consider it dp I minus 1 will be what? I is 2, I is dp 2 minus 1 plus dp I 2 minus 2 will be what? dp which we have initialized over here. You can see dp 0 is what? dp 0 is 1 plus dp 1. If you minus them, dp 0 is already 1, dp it will be also be 1. Why it will be 1? Because dp at 1 it we have initialized 1, so it also be what? 1. So the answer will be what? 2. Okay, after that dp, that's how we'll get the answer at n number of stairs. Okay, n is equal to 2 number of stairs. Then dp, like I'm explaining you for 3 number of stairs. Let's take 3, so it will iterate till 3. Okay, 3 minus 1 plus dp 3 minus 2, it will be what? dp at index dp at 2, we have dp at 2, dp at 2 we get the value this. Okay, as you can see, dp at 2 we get value of 2. Okay, so 3 minus 1 is what? 2, so it will be 2. And dp at 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, so dp at 1 is what? 1, so it will be what? 3. So yeah, in n is equal to 3, there will be a 3 possible ways. Okay, so that's how the code is working. It's very basic, you can easily see it. And yeah, so that's it guys. If you have any question, doubt, please write down in the comment section. I will be very interested to reply. So yeah, thank you for watching.